So we are in the middle of nowhere trying to feed these things with varying degrees of success. Nicky's arm is aching, as you might imagine. But
There's like 5 or 6 of them in the bushes here.
yeah, you're not seeing them right now, but there's one right up there. Oh, there he goes. They're all over the place. They're just surprisingly in a green, red, gold, brown environment. These black and white birds are hard to see. Oh, and there's a dove up there, which you can't see, but I can. It's right there. There.
It's right here.
We also got chipmunks and squirrels, and there's one on the branch right there, as you can see. Well, assuming you can see. There. Ah, there he is. It's living. So they're not exactly shy, but they are pretty fast moving, so.
Yeah, they don't want. There's squirrels in around here too, and the squirrels are moving them around. Oh, hey, buddy, there you are.
Yeah. I'm taking a step back because. Oh, there he goes. Boom. There he is.
Hi, buddy.
Nice one. I love you, sweetie.
I love you too.
Oh,
Talking to
there
you,
he's
huh?
again. I know. They're not going too far away. Oh, and there's your squirrel. I think I might try the big boy camera. Oh, there he goes. Since you point it at him, they think it's a gun, you know.
Here, I'm gonna get a.
Although I'm not sure exactly how they would know what a gun looks like. Not in this location. Let's be honest, these are very small birds. You hit them with a gun, any kind of gun, and it's just going to be feathers left. So, imagine they're not hunted. Oh, that's a nice photo, or it would be. I'm going to put this down so I can get a nice photo.